Hey guys, welcome back to Carnal Dish. I am so excited to partner with the Home Depot and show you how easy and convenient it is to plant your own veggies and herbs with Bonnie Select Harvest and Miracle-Gro products. Springtime is the best time to get your garden started, and they'll be perfect for summer grilling. Imagine flavoring your steaks with the rosemary and thyme that you grew yourself. Season it with a little butter, brush it on there. I'm trying to tell you, it's going to be bomb. At the Home Depot, you can find a huge variety of starter plants for herbs such as basil, sage, thyme, and rosemary, as well as hot peppers, tomatoes, and even lettuce, all by Bonnie and Bonnie Select Harvest. If you've ever wondered how to grow your own garden to feed your soul, I'm going to show you just how simple it is. You don't need any super fancy equipment, and if you live in a rental, a townhome, or an apartment, or you just have limited space, you can use containers, which is what I'm using, to grow your own food, and it will thrive with proper care. The best part is that you can even grow many of these herbs and veggies right indoors. All you need is a sunny window. Let's get started. We're going to use Miracle-Gro garden soil specifically made for veggies and herbs. It feeds up to 3 months alone, but we're also going to pair it with the Miracle-Gro plant food for veggies and herbs, which also boosts our yield. This stuff is super legit. I have purchased a variety of herbs as well as some kale, so I'm going to show you how I plant that in a second. But to make it easier to distribute the product, we're going to mix it into a larger pot first. By combining the Miracle-Gro soil and plant food, we can easily scoop it into each divider on our garden stand, plant our herbs, water them, and simply walk away. It's that simple. Depending on how many herbs or veggies you're planting, you will want to measure the Miracle-Gro plant food just to make sure you're using enough. This stuff will feed your veggies and herbs instantly and produce a hefty harvest. Okay, so now that we've mixed the Miracle-Gro garden soil and plant food, we're going to scoop them into each line divider, which is large enough to hold one Bonnie Select Harvest herb plant. Basil is probably my favorite herb, and I've purchased a couple of these starter plants, one for outdoors and one to grow indoors. Basil actually does very well in your house. If you have a sunny window, you're good to go. Anyway, you're going to gently pop the plant out of the plastic container and place it into the soil mix. Then you're going to add more soil to ensure that it's evenly planted. So just add more soil and make sure that you don't see the roots of the plant itself. You want to make sure that's covered, and you're going to just pat the soil down gently so that it's nice and even, and you're just going to water it, stick the label in, and I promise you it's going to grow like crazy. So here's the finished product. I'm just watering everything, and everything looks so good. I cannot wait for all of this stuff to grow. It's really not going to take any time at all. I have it in a nice sunny spot, perfect amount of sun, perfect amount of shade. I have basil, rosemary, oregano, sweet mint, lemon thyme, garden sage, all of my favorite herbs to cook with, to eat. I'm just so excited. I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like as time goes on. Thank you to the Home Depot and Miracle-Gro for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.